let us learn how to inject date in our Spring XML bean. We can inject java.util.Date into Spring Bean property using Spring Custom Date Editor. Custom Date Editor. This is the Custom Date Editor. Custom Date Editor is a property editor for java.util.Date, supporting a custom java.text.Date format. Basically, simple date format is the a date format. It is a built-in property editor. Which one? Custom Date Editor is a built-in property editor to handle date. When we inject date to a bean in XML configuration, the value will be string. Look here, dob. This is the person class. Person class dob field data type is date class. But in XML, we are injecting it as a string. When we inject date to a bean in XML configuration, the value is string. With the help of custom date editor, Spring converts string to date object. So let's see complete example. First of all, I will create a class for the custom date editor registrar. Implement property editor registrar and override register custom editors. So what we have to do is, here I have the object of property editor registry and call its register custom editor, and then you have to pass required type, means custom date editor will change to what? Required type is date.class. Custom date editor has to change the string to date type. Okay, so we have to pass the required type, okay, and property editor. Our property editor is built in, that is custom date editor. Okay, so this is ready. Now we have to configure our custom date editor registrar in our XML. How? Use custom editor configurer. It is a property editor registrars and list. If you have more than one, you can configure here. So I am listing my custom date editor registrar to the property editor registrars for the bean custom editor configurer. In this way, our bean is ready for custom editor configurer that will change string into date object for any bean. So I am creating a bean here. This is a person bean and it has a two field, name and dob. Name and dob. Name is string but dob is of date type. So both I am injecting as a string. Name is a string and dob is also a string, but when we access dob, we will get it as a date type. How? Because we have created a date editor registrar and here we have configured custom date editor that will convert string to date. Use java.util date type. Simple date format is used and we have to specify the format, in which format the string will be. Suppose Here I am specifying dd mm time y. So the format will be like this will be the date format 0105. This is dd, this is mm, and time y. Okay, this was the format, and in this way our string data for the date will be converted into java.util.Date object. Okay, thank you.